Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. It's Sunday again, and we have company over. And today, I'm going to do ribeyes. I know Mike did ribeyes a couple weeks ago and filmed it, and they were fantastic. Today, we're doing them a little bit different. Today, we're doing black and blue ribeyes. Now, traditionally, black and blue ribeyes are a ribeye or a steak that's taken and blackened on the outside, charred, well charred, and then left near rare or just barely medium rare on the inside. And sometimes that's called Pittsburgh style. But we're not doing black and blue ribeyes, we're doing black and bleu ribeyes, like bleu cheese. We're gonna take the steaks, season them up, grill them, and we're gonna use a reverse sear method, which we'll talk about when we get to the grill. And then once they get to about 15 degrees from being done, we're gonna move them over to direct heat, finish them up, put a little bit of blue cheese topping on it, then bring them off, pull them off, and let them rest to eat. So right now we're gonna make that bleu cheese topping. Here we go. So I've tripled all of the ingredients today because of the amount of steaks that I have to make. One serving of the topping is enough to cover 4 steaks. So we have sour cream. One serving is 2 tablespoons. I have 6. The blue cheese crumble, which is 4 teaspoons. I have 12. 4 teaspoons of plain yogurt. 2 teaspoons of minced onion. I have 6. And a dash of ground white pepper. So here I have a little less than 1/4 teaspoon, so it's a few dashes. I'll take this and mix it all up, and then we're going to set it in the refrigerator until about 30 minutes before we're getting ready to use it, and then we'll pull it out. Just want to mix this all up real well so all those flavors are melded. I'm going to make sure you have a little bit of everything on each steak. Get plenty of blue cheese, that minced onion, the pepper. And this will complement any steak seasoning that you use. Perfect. So we're going to use about half a tablespoon of this topping on each steak when we're ready for it. Until then, into the fridge it goes. It's time to start prepping the steaks. So we're using aged ribeyes today, which don't have a lot of extra juice in the package when we pull them out of the freezer and let them thaw out. If you're using ribeyes from a grocery store, you may have a little more juice and you may not need this first step. So I'm going to coat the ribeyes with a light coat of avocado spray. It's a very neutral oil. It's going to provide no taste whatsoever. It's just going to allow a binder for the seasoning that I'm going to put on, which is this Jack Daniel's steak seasoning. It's fantastic. We love it. Take the seasoning. I'd say I'm using a light to moderate amount of seasoning on each. These steaks are pretty thick, so they can take quite a bit of seasoning. Nice even coat. We'll let it sit a minute, let it tack, and then flip it over, get the other side. Get a nice even coat on this second side, apply the rub, and then we'll be ready for the grill. Okay, that looks great. From here, we'll go out to the grill and prepare to cook these ribeyes down. Okay, all the steaks are up to temperature that we want, right around 110, 112 degrees. We're gonna shift from off heat grilling, so indirect, over to direct grilling, and finish off with that wonderful blue cheese topping that we made earlier. We'll do a few of these at a time, make it manageable. Looking to get some nice grill marks. We'll leave it here for about a minute. Turn it 45 degrees, flip them, turn them 45 degrees, put that topping on, and then pull them off to rest. Just remember, fat means flavor, but it also means fire. All right, let's put some of that wonderful blue cheese topping on. All right, those are looking good. I'm gonna finish these up. We'll catch up inside when we go to taste them. That first set is done resting, and I just can't wait anymore to taste this. Look at that. Perfect medium rare to medium internal. Juicy. So that blue cheese topping, not overpowering. You still have that wonderful aged ribeye underneath it, and just totally enhances the flavor with that rub that has the salt, pepper, garlic, a couple other seasonings in it. It's just wonderful. Definitely need to give this a try. If you like what you see today, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let us know if you made this and what you thought of it. We'll see you next time on the Galley of the Sun.